Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna learn about the basic structure of C++ program. So let's start. So this is the basic program of C++. It's print hello world in the console, and hello world is the first program name of a programmer. So what is these things are written? So let's understand everything. So the first line of a C++ program is used to include the header files. So here, IOStream is a header file. It uses this stream to provide input-output functionality. So basically, if you want to take input and gives output, so you have to include this IOStream file, IOStream header file. So, so the second line using namespace. So basically, the namespace allows you to use all the namespace in the standard library. So if you don't include this use namespace std, you have to write this code like this. So a statement using namespace in C++ allows the programmer to use all the namespace in the standard library without having to prefix them with std colon. This can save time typing, but it can also lead to name collision and make code more difficult to read and maintain. So what it actually means. So here you can see that the code is 90% similar. Here we don't have to include using namespace. If you don't include that, you have to write cout like this. You have to prefix it with std double colon. So what does that actually mean? So here this the double colon means it's a scope resolution operator. So it tells that cout is actually belongs from standard library. And if we include this, so the compiler defaultly understand that the cout is belong from the standard library. So now we understand why we use namespace std. So what is this? This is a declaration of main function. So what is main function? Main function is an entry point of a C++ program. So uh, for a compiler, it's need to have a specific point. So the compiler start the processing. So the compiler looks for the main function. So here the main function is an entry point of a C++ program, and in the left side it denoted as int. Why do we have to include int in a main function? It is a return type. Every function returns something. It may be nothing. It may be int, float, string, whatever. But the main function always return int. So the curly braces, the closing and curly braces, the area between them are called blocks. Here, the area between these blocks called block of main function. So the code written here is called the statement of main. So here we simply print the hello world by using cout. Cout is used for to print something on the console, and these lines is called statement. These statements are from of a main function, and the return. Return is used to return something, like as I said, every program returns something. Here it returns 0. By default we have to use return 0. We can also return something else, but by default we have to return 0. So this is the basic program of C++. In the next video we're going to learn about the variables. So thank you. Like and subscribe.